All right, looks like it's stim time. All right, looks like it's stim time. Too late! Del, over there, snipers!
Then let's clear them out! Jenny, use the stem and try flanking them.
Good assist, Jack! Terminated! All right, I think we got them all.
That block thing can shut down our box? There's no way we can hold this settlement.
JD, Del, Marcus and I had to bug out at the wall. Swarms everywhere. We can't reach control.
Something's messing with our comms. Did you read, Kate? We got separated from Colfoss and Carmine.
Then we gotta regroup. Meet us at the theater.
Wilco, see you there.
JD, come on, let's cut through the hotel.
Come on, in here.
Yo, Jack, give us some light.
Oh, shit.
We're losing a lot of gears.
Phoenix, I made it back to my convoy. Gonna try to get these people